I just wanted to post this video up real quick to show you what you need to do as far as preventive maintenance so you don't run into the problem that I did, because I also tend to be an idiot. Okay, hang on, Granny.
What?
Where are we going today, Grandma?
I have no idea.
We're gonna go up and camp in Kernville, and then we're going up to the Sequoia. So we're taking the women along. You're gonna hit the van.
Oh my gosh!
We're taking the women along this time.
Okay.
All right, so we're heading over to the Bainey's house, Wessie's house. There's my wife. She's all geared up, ready to go. She's loving our last daughter that's at home that torments our life. Anyhow, we're getting ready to go on a scooter trip. Scooter trip! See you soon. That's all for now. This is Larry with ManCave Mayhem again, and well, as you can see, we're not on our trip. The bike is here with all the gear on it, and we kind of ran into a little problem. So this video is basically about what you should do as far as maintaining your scooters, because, well, you don't want to end up like me and have a canceled trip. Anyhow, when I did the Lazarus project, I replaced a lot of items on this 400. The one thing I failed to replace was the belt. I did measure it and spec'd it out, and it was good. But this is what's left of the belt after our attempted trip yesterday. So you can see that a little preventive maintenance goes a long way. So just remember, these belts, they only last about 15,000 miles on an average. So you need to check them frequently and make sure that you don't run into a problem where all you have is spaghetti left. Hey, don't forget, push the like button and make sure you share and subscribe. And just remember, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks again for watching.